Welcome, everybody. Thank you all so much for joining me here today. My name is Pritesh with Kaizen Crypto. I hope you're all doing well. In this video, I wanted to give you an update on some of the things that I'm working on within the Cardano ecosystem. So today we're going to be taking a look at Lovelace Saga. I've got an update regarding our KAIZN tokens. I wanted to share with you all some thoughts around KAIZN NFTs, just a lot of the things that we've been working very hard on lately. So if you all do enjoy this type of content, please be sure to drop a like for me. It really lets me know that you enjoy content like this. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe as well. I post Cardano content on this YouTube channel. There is so much happening right now within the ecosystem. You definitely don't want to miss it. So jumping right into the video, today we are looking at the landing page for Lovelace Saga. This is the NFT game that I'm building with my team. This is something that I've been putting blood, sweat, and tears into. And it's really just amazing to see it now finally starting to come to life. So we're taking a look at the landing page. This is a very simple landing page that our team has put together, but I really love the attention to detail that they've put into it. There's been a lot of thinking involved and a lot of time and attention just in how we want to build this so that it's a great user experience and that really the game itself is just fun to play. So you may have been around for some of our NFT drops. So we had KAIZN NFT Series 1 featuring the Mighty Hoskinson and KAIZN. And then we had our Series 2 featuring some other incredible characters representing members within the Cardano community. We've got Lovelace Legend, Gangsta Frog, some of our booster characters such as Drake. So it's just so exciting to see this project now starting to pick up momentum. This is the landing page where you can go to. It's lovelacesaga.com. And this is where you'll be able to see some of the frequently asked questions that we receive, talking about play to earn, NFT gaming, a blockchain, all that kind of stuff. So there's going to be a lot of content that I'm going to be creating around this game as we make progress. But being that we just went live with our landing page, I wanted to make a video and show you guys what we've been up to. So these are some of the game screenshots that are going to be part of the user interface when the game does go live. We've got an entire team that's dedicated to this game, everyone. So this is something that I'm super passionate about. I enjoy the idea of having an NFT being able to represent an item in the game or a playable character. It makes a lot of sense to me, being that I've been within the ecosystem now for a while and just seen the NFT space grow and the amount of possibilities and the applications that it could be used for. It's really just up to your own imagination. So excited about Lovelace Saga. If you want to learn more, I would recommend that you check out our landing page. There's going to be a lot of information on here. And then also check out our socials. So we've got our Twitter, Discord, of course, the YouTube channel, and the Telegram, where you can go to find out more, learn more about this game, engage with the community. We've got so many incredible people that are helping us grow this community. So a big thank you to a few special names, namely the Duck Pool. Also, shout out to Tam, who's been doing some incredible things, 33 and NFT Stasher 85. So you guys all rock. Thank you to everybody so much who has been along for the journey. Yods is another great one. Shout out to Yods. So there's just a lot of cool people that I've met along the way. It's incredible to see this progress. As far as when this game will go live, so it's really hard to give an exact date of when something like this would go live. We're really aiming for a methodical approach in the fact that we want to first start with an MVP, so our minimum viable product, and work our way from there, trying to gain as much feedback as possible from the community. Our intentions of how we're going to create this game is with our MVP, we're going to have the Series 1 characters available to play as. So we've got the Kaizen Samurai and the Mighty Hoskinson. So those are two of the NFTs that were included within our Kaizen Series 1 NFT drop. So it makes sense to include those two within the MVP. And then talking a bit about the Kaizen NFTs, we'll get into that here in this video and how it's all going to tie together. But these two characters will be usable within the game. Now, as far as the NFT aspects go, we've thought a lot about how we want to onboard new players. Even if they don't hold these NFTs, how would they be able to at least try out the game to see if it's something that they enjoy? So with that being said, as part of our MVP, we're going to use the Mighty Hoskinson and the Kaizen Samurai NFTs as playable characters, but we're going to make it so that if you want to try out the game, you don't have to have the NFT. So for the Kaizen character specifically, you'll be able to play as the Kaizen character by default. Now, that's only going to be available for the MVP because the idea that we have here is that if you hold the NFT within your wallet, you'll be able to use that character in the game. So that's only going to be something to allow users to try out the platform in a sense, right? So you're going to have to hold these NFTs if you do want to play as that character. But what we've thought about is once the game does go live with our full release, we're going to have a default character. So it's not going to be like what you see here with these really cool characters featuring different weapons and whatnot. We're just going to have a plain and simple character, which you will be able to use as a default character if you don't hold the NFT. So there will be an incentive to have a Kaizen NFT because if you do, you'll be able to use it to play the character in the game, but then you'll also have the ability to level up, earn rewards with Kaizen tokens, lots of cool stuff coming up, guys. It's going to be so exciting. I can't wait to share more information with you. So that's just a brief update about what we've got going on here with Lovelace Saga. I'm really happy with the landing page. Let me know what you guys think. I'm always open to feedback and I would really love to hear from you all. Let me know down in the comment section. What do you guys think? Do you have any ideas of what we can do to make this an awesome blockchain game built on Cardano? Let me know down in the comments. So those are some things with Lovelace Saga. Definitely be sure to join our socials to keep up with our progress. Now, you may have also noticed if you are a Kaizen token holder that it shows a zero balance when you go to check your wallet. Now, the reason for that is because we've actually taken a bit of a different approach with Kaizen tokens now that we have the amazing platform of drip drops. So people are able to claim these Kaizen tokens for being a Kaizen stake pool delegator. What we've done here, I know it shows zero as the balance, but we've made a few revisions with our token. So now the token is going to include decimals. The reason that we included decimals now for Kaizen tokens is because as the platform grows and more users come on to the ecosystem, the tokens will inherently gain in value because there's going to be some utility behind these tokens. So by having decimals, you make it so that people don't have to hold a single token. They can hold a fraction of a token. So as these tokens become more valuable, it's going to allow for divisibility in that sense. Just like with a Bitcoin, right? It's divisible into Satoshis, or ADA is divisible into Lovelaces. Same concept there. So Kaizen tokens have now included decimals. Now, this has been included within the metadata, but as far as the quantities, so we've increased the quantity as well. Kaizen tokens now contain 100 million total tokens. That is the total supply of tokens. And we're going to see this update here pretty soon. So the Drip Drops platform, this is going to be for any of our delegators who've gone to Drip Drops and check to see what's going on with that. It's going to show the drop status is active up until February 4th. What's going to take place is a snapshot. So after this snapshot, you'll be able to go into Drip Drops, claim the tokens which were previously held within your wallet, and you'll be able to pick up like nothing happened, except now Kaizen tokens will have decimals. Right. So really cool stuff there. One thing I did want to point out is that with this snapshot, it's very important that you do not move these tokens from your wallet. Keep your Kaizen tokens held within your wallet to take part in the balance snapshot. So just something I wanted to point out here. So if you've gone to pool.pm and if you've seen a zero balance for Kaizen tokens, it's not to worry. It's because the decimals have been added. There's going to be a snapshot which would allow you to claim the balance of tokens which you held previously before the decimals were added. So just something I wanted to make our delegators aware of. And then another thing that's going to be really cool, because our idea here is to try and onboard as many people as possible to use this ecosystem and to use this platform. Kaizen tokens are going to be the in-game currency contained within Lovelace Saga. What we've done so far with our distribution is we've made it so that Kaizen stake pool delegators are able to receive these KAIZN tokens. Now, this is still going to be the case once the snapshot takes place and we've got an updated project here within Drip Drops, but we're also making it so that now anybody within the Cardano ecosystem can go into Drip Drops and claim a little bit of KAIZN tokens. So that's the added benefit of including decimals within the tokens, because these tokens are probably going to have some value once the platform goes live. Now, of course, delegators will be able to claim the lion's share. So as a way to show love to everybody in the community, but especially to our delegators are going to have the lion's share of the KAIZN tokens, which they can claim. But now anybody within the ecosystem can go into Drip Drops and get their KAIZN tokens. Now, I do understand that it's a bit technical here. So if you do have questions, I'm happy to help address that. Best way to get support for anything like this is to join our KAIZN crypto support group. I will be sure to leave that link for you all down in the description below. It's a Telegram chat that has so many incredible and helpful people. If you are not our delegator, but you still want help with Cardano, and if you like to talk about everything cryptocurrency, it's still a great place for you to join and have fun. So I would recommend it. Go ahead and check out that link down in the description. If you do have any questions about this balance snapshot or how to claim your KAIZN tokens, that's the best place to get support. And the last up for this video today. So there's a lot of things going on with what I'm building here with Kaizen Crypto, Lovelace Saga, KAIZN tokens. If you want to get in on the action, we've got these KAIZN NFTs, which are currently on sale on the secondary market. Now, if you wanted to head over to our social media links, so if you go to the landing page, you've got a link to our Twitter. That's where you're going to be able to find the different rarity stats for these tokens. But this is just to show you where you can go if you're interested in getting involved once this project goes live. So these tokens have been minted. Now, the only way to be able to purchase them is on the secondary market. So you can check out jpeg.store, you can check out cnft.io, you can check out token.io. These are available on any of the major NFT marketplaces. But just to show you, this is what we have here. So all of these NFTs are going to be able to be used in the game as playable characters. Now we're going to have a whole bunch of cool stuff, right? We're going to have in-game items. We're going to have different skins. We're going to have different gadgets. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm so excited to see this project grow and come to life. But I just wanted to give you all a quick update about what's going on here with Lovelace Saga, KAIZN Crypto, KAIZN tokens, our NFTs. For everybody who has been supporting us on this journey, it's been an incredible ride, making sure our stake pools are up and running, making sure that this game is one of the best experiences possible for the Cardano community, and also some of the other projects, which more updates are to come. And I can't wait to share that all with you. All right, everyone. Well, thank you all so much again for watching. I hope you did enjoy this update, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care, everybody.